What's up, beautiful people?
Guys.
It is a beautiful Sunday
Yes,
morning
it
here.
is.
And,
Linky's so happy.
We just went to church, which was amazing.
It was
and
really
had
nice.
so much fun with it, doing Advent at our church here in Nashville area. And just such a great reminder of the wonder and the waiting that is the Advent season. And so it's pretty great.
Yeah, Linky was having so much fun with me. We found like the Mother's Lounge, and so we had just this nice little quiet area where we could go and sit in some comfy chairs, and there were some little snacks and things, and so it was really sweet. He was like dancing along with the music and just smiling so big. It was really just such a sweet morning, honestly. But we have heard that there is some outdoor ice skating pretty close to our house.
We're so excited about
And I know. Well, we're going to go check it out and see if it's not too crowded, then we're going to try to do it. But if it's like just tons of people, then we might go ahead and pass it.
But,
Just wanting to do some fun things with the kids today, you know, like just enjoy a family day. And
Sunday fun day.
Yeah, exactly. But we definitely need to get some lunch now. I think we're all pretty starving at this point, so...
Comment down below what we should eat, because we can't decide. Nashville hot chicken or something healthy.
Yeah, we've been eating very large amounts of Nashville hot chicken, and I honestly love it. It's one of my new favorite things. So,
oh my gosh.
Yeah, let's go grab some food. So we got some funny videos we're watching. Somebody's tired. That boy baby needs a nap soon. Oh my gosh. His lips are literally purple because we had a little treat
He's so
in the other room.
Look at my tongue.
Your tongue is
You got a
big.
treat too.
And show them your badge that the policeman gave you.
Yeah.
The nice cops at the church, they were like, here, you should be a junior officer.
They were passing out some cool stickers. That's
So
so cool. All right, we're starving, so we are gonna go eat.
Okay.
You got the stuff?
I got the goods.
Got some
Party
good
foul.
stuff.
A party foul.
Whoa.
Which will not be a party foul at all.
No.
Somebody made me a video.
Somebody made you a video?
Yeah,
That's nice. So Steven got some Nashville hot chicken for us because we are obsessed with that lately. Are you obsessed with it too, Linky? He's so happy. The kids actually got a bunch of stuff, like a bunch of random stuff from Whole Foods. We went in and got a lot of yummy things, but
Lord.
wee, that looks good.
That looks so good.
This literally smells like, the chips literally smell like barbecue chips.
Barbecue chips, yeah.
Right now.
Are you,
Right now.
did you get enough pizza?
Yeah.
Are you full?
Nope.
You're not full?
I never get full.
Never ever? Wow. Well, you must be very big, huh? Are you guys ready? Let's buckle up. Daddy and I are going to eat this real quickly since we haven't eaten yet. And then we are going to go, okay, ice skating. Lincoln, you know what Lincoln has is FOMO around food.
He does.
If he sees somebody else
someone else
eating.
has it. So
Yeah.
this is definitely not keto, but this is sort of my last meal because I'm actually starting with like a ridiculously like high-end personal trainer tomorrow.
Yeah.
He's like won all kinds of like championships for bodybuilding and stuff like that, and he's gonna whip me into shape. And so he was like,
Exciting.
"You better eat your last meal today, because you're not gonna eat anything for a while." And I was like,
He does not talk
"No,
like
he doesn't
that.
talk like that.
Reese,
He doesn't talk
Reese
like
is
that.
calling
at
him
all.
out.
He does not talk like that.
He's going to watch this video and be like, hey.
I don't talk like that, but I'm excited about it. I walked into our meeting and I said, he said, "So what are your goals?" And I said, "Well, I want to look like Thor, not like fat Thor, but just like, you know, Thor.
Not dad
And he was
bod
like,
Thor.
"I think we can do that." I was like, "Okay, cool."
I'm excited for you, babe.
So,
So I have seen this guy just be so disciplined over the years, and really, he's going to the gym every single day. He's really trying to watch what he eats.
really, I mean,
And
yeah.
honestly, I'm just excited for you to have someone that's going to kind of run alongside you and help you meet your goals.
I've always wanted to do this. Have never been able to do this, and we just started talking this week, and he was like, "Well, let me train you," and I was like, "Okay." And so we're gonna kind of do a whole like all 2021, just like document the journey together on YouTube and
yeah, on his personal channel, guys. Y'all guys definitely follow him along over there.
Be my fit by the end of 2021, look like Thor.
Yeah,
that's
so
the goal.
So this is our
So this is my
last
last
meal, and it's a good one.
I'm gonna die though because
It's a
it's
good
so
one.
hot. It's so spicy.
Yeah,
but that's okay.
You cry every time you eat it, but it's so worth it.
I don't cry, but I sweat like a lot. So.
Yeah. You want to try some more, Lincoln?
He's just like, keep giving me the food, please.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Oh, man.
Okay,
Funny.
let's eat up and go play. Oh,
a pie. Pass me a pie. Pass me a pie.
It's Christmas.
Pass me a pie. Pass me a pie.
It's Christmas. Someone was trying to run away.
I gave you a mask kiss.
Lincoln, you took your hat off. And there it goes.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh, it's stuck up there.
It's stuck.
Lincoln,
Can you reach it?
that's actually up there a waist. Can you get your hat?
Grab it.
Get it, get it.
Get it.
Yeah, he's just too short.
Can you get the cat? Get the hat.
Get the hat, Lincoln.
He's a
It's like way up there. How did that get stuck up there?
Help us out, dude.
This is why we don't throw our hats. What in the world? Can you like run and jump and get it?
I don't know, maybe.
Give it a shot.
That's really high.
Yeah. There we go.
How weird is that, man?
The strange things that happen to us.
What happened?
Lincoln threw his hat and it got stuck on the wall like way up there. And Daddy had to get a chair and get it down.
Wow.
You gonna wear it? It's kind of small. Whoa. That looks pretty good. You guys want to do a treat after we skate?
Yes. Yeah.
She's like, yes, please.
Ha ha ha, this is how you
Ho ho ho, Merry Christmas.
That's all.
There you go. Do you guys wash your hands good?
Yeah, I got hand sanitizer on right now.
Good. Well, Daddy just finished. You all guys ready to get our skates?
Yeah.
Linky's ready. How are you feeling about skating, Miss Kira?
I'm very excited. I love skating so much.
Outdoor skating is really fun too. That's
I'm
like,
learning to skate backwards.
are you excited to skate,
You know
Penelope?
how you get back.
How you, oh, fall, yeah. Let's hope
Yeah.
there's no falling today.
Don't worry, maybe. Maybe not.
All right, Jude's ready to go. Are they tight enough?
Yeah,
Okay.
I don't know how I'm gonna It's not that hard.
Hey, you know what? Let Mommy and Daddy help you get these a little tighter, okay? We want them to be real snug on your ankles. It is?
Yeah.
Okay. Woo! Lincoln! There we go. That's the perfect thing for Ethan.
Perfect for you, buddy.
Wow.
Okay.
Here we go. Woo! Whoa, Ethan, you're going fast.
You know what? I know how to do it, but I'm just scared.
Yeah, you're a good skater.
Yeah, dang.
Wow. Ethan's doing tricks on the ice. That's cool. I can't see your eyes. Can you see okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually fine.
Okay. Good thing you got that thing.
Jump.
You're going to try to jump? Oh, wow. Oh, wow, dude. That's awesome.
I can do that.
You
Look.
can do it too? 1 foot.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, guys, you guys have good balance. Whoa, careful.
Oh, what's up, beautiful people?
Oh! Are you okay?
That was amazing, buddy.
Goodness.
That was pretty cool.
You can't get going too fast. You gotta be safe. That was cool. Did you like skating? Yeah. He's like, I liked it for like 2 minutes. You liked it for like 2 minutes?
Ethan skates out to me and he goes, they told me I shouldn't be speeding, but I was speeding. I was
my gosh.
Okay, good, buddy. That's awesome. And then there's this boy who's like, I think really trying to impress Kira over here.
Yeah.
And it's making me laugh so hard because he'll like cut her off and then let the back and be like,
Yeah.
and she's like, you almost made me fall down, kid.
Yeah, she's like, this boy is so rude, and he's probably like, look at this cute girl that I'm
Oh
impressing.
my God, so
They have butterbeer,
They have Fitz's.
Fitz's.
Which was a big deal in St. Louis, which is a big deal in St. Louis, but we used to go there growing up.
Yeah.
So
We love Fitz's.
they're like kind of out of everything, but
Yeah,
I
you
don't
don't
have to get ice cream or butterbeer.
I know. It's a hard decision to make. It smells so good in here. Oh my gosh. What do you guys think?
all good.
We're kind of a crazy family that we eat ice cream when it's cold outside, but that's how much we love ice cream, huh?
This ice cream has so many Oreos in it. I love it.
Oreos, yeah, you guys got cookies and cream, huh?
It's an actual birthday cake because it has like cake in it.
Whoa, the birthday cake has birthday cake in it? Oh, that's so cool.
That's why it's named birthday cake.
That is why it's named birthday cake. Good thinking. Oh, you gonna take a little bite? Oh my goodness, this is a special day.
Goodness gracious,
We're
buddy.
having a little treat. Just a few bites.
That's so yummy.
Is that good? You love it, you love it. Oh.
It's like whenever he first had ice cream in China.
Oh yeah, we still had that first big smile ever
Oh
because
my
he was so
gosh.
like shy and timid, and then as soon as we let him have a bite of ice cream,
He takes after his mom. You taste a
Yeah.
bite of ice cream and you just want to dance.
the boys and I were talking about that, how as a family, even when it's really cold outside, like right now, we're still like, we'll choose ice cream over cocoa
Yes,
and that kind of thing.
exactly. Will you wear the hat this time?
Let's see.
He throws it into the fireplace like 30 feet away.
Let's see. Will you wear your hat now?
He's like, I'll do anything you want, Mom. I've got ice cream.
Yeah. Oh, you look so cute. You look so cute.
There's the slip.
Oh,
It's a
thank you.
shame he doesn't love food more.
Okay, I love it too. Mwah.
That look. He just gave me a look like you're limiting my arm movement right now, Mom, and I need another bite of ice cream.
Do you like it? Somebody is messy. Are you getting all messy? Are you all messy? Yes, you are. Look at how cute you look. Yeah. This is one of our favorite areas to hang out. It's just so pretty. They've got like a fireplace over here and live music on the weekends, and it's just so much fun. It's such a great area to chill and enjoy a yummy treat, even if we get all messy. The girls and Steven just got their coffee, so now you're happy.
Guess who was in there?
Who was in there?
He was in there and he's so cute.
Oh, there's a boy.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so on my birthday, I came here and he took my order, and he's literally the cutest kid I've ever seen. and so then I walked in, and apparently Kira said he looked very excited.
He was very. I was like, whoa. He's like looking at her like, I remember you.
He's so cute. All of my
But I didn't know it was him at first.
Yeah.
And I was like, he
I
was
walked
like,
in, I was like,
what's your name? And I was like, Steven. But if I had known that was him, I would have been like, Reese. Her name is Reese.
But I
And
was
her number
so awkward.
is-
I was so awkward. He was like, is there something you want to drink? And I was like, do you want to split something, Kira?
Match maker, make me a match. Find me a find, catch me a catch.
Guys, one thing that I wanted to mention is that a lot of you guys are asking, we're doing like treats and special things occasionally on camera, and Lincoln is having some of those, and so I just wanted to mention, because a lot of you guys know that Lincoln is on the keto diet, but he has been seizure free for so long and doing so
awesome,
well,
guys.
yeah, that, and he just loves treats and snacks so much that we feel like it's okay to loosen up just a little bit and allow him to have small amounts of treats when we're having them as well. We don't want him to be feeling deprived, especially as he's getting older and is just more aware of everybody else enjoying things. So we're allowing that just a little bit here and there, not too much, and just small amounts at a time, but he's doing really well. We've seen no issues, and since he's not had any seizures in so long, like it's wonderful that we're able to kind of just loosen up a little bit while still staying on the keto diet for the most part.
And it definitely makes being a parent a lot easier too.
Yeah,
whenever you can let all the kids have the same amount of the same thing, you know.
Yeah. At home, we're still trying to eat really healthy and stay on the keto diet as much as possible, but when we're out and about or having a treat, it's nice that we can just all kind of have that together. I think he definitely appreciates it. Linky, where are you going? Where are you going?
Speaking of, he's just got chocolate all over his face.
I know, we gotta get a napkin for that boy. That crazy boy. Now he's like on a sugar high though.
Now he's like, I'm going for a run, guys.
Yeah. Wow. Woo, wee, you're going fast. Gotta get out all that energy. Gotta get out all that energy. Oh gosh. You are loud.
So loud.
Oh, thank you. I think I got chocolate on me just now.
All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and close this thing out. We're just enjoying the Christmas season and all of its trappings. Oh, thank you so much for the hugs. He's so sweet. Anyway, we love you guys. We can't wait to see you next time. Got a lot of fun coming your way this week. So we'll see you around.
Love you guys.
Love you guys.
Bye.
You guys say bye? Bye. Oh,
That's how you
man.
end out the vlog. And it was like black right there.
For your name's sake, you will lead me back home to you. God, for your name's sake, you will